welcome everyone. Welcome everyone, and let me introduce first myself for those who are first time there on my webinars. I'm Christian and I've been trading for 10 years now and have been active on TradingView for the last 5 years. I'm a professional trader and a mentor. My goal here is to help people improve and become profitable in trading and give you as much knowledge as I can in these kind of webinars. What I'm showing you there on those webinars is totally different level understanding the charts, and you won't find it anywhere else. So if there will be any uncertainty, if you have any questions, feel free to use the live chat. You can use the live chat there on TradingView, and you can use the live chat as well there on YouTube. Okay, I can see both chats and I will answer anything that will comes up there in chat. Right, so hello Ireland, welcome to the webinar. What I will do over there is I will share you the upcoming setups. I will show you what we as our academy, as our team is watching on in the current upcoming week, and of course I will share knowledge over there. Okay, so make sure you're listening me carefully. You grab this, what you hear there on these kind of webinars, and implement it into your trading. Okay, so if I show you something, you should not trust me, you should go check it by yourself. Okay, always go and backtest it. Give it at least a 10 minutes of backtest to see if this is the proven and how it works. If it makes sense to you, then keep going forward. Okay, you will upgrade yourself, but just by watching the chart and just watching me how I analyze, you ain't gonna see any progress into your trading. So make sure you do something with the knowledge that I share there over there with you and implement it, backtest it and train it. Okay, so and as you know, I'm having the Big Trading Academy where I teach people, where I guide people. There are a lot of trading videos. Of course, we're having this Saturday, in 2 days we are having a live training session with members where we will go and train together on charts. Okay, this is very important stuff. You should do it as well. Okay, so if you don't know how to, if you would love to drastically improve your knowledge, just join our training academy. Okay, tradewithmaster.eu is the website. You will find the link under the video as well in the description, and feel free to join us. Okay, so find the membership that fits with you. I will give you all the access to the community, to all the live trainings. Okay, there's the courses that I'm keep recording, keep making new lessons for teaching people. Okay, so this is the constant process of learning. Okay, so hi everyone, hi from India. No, I don't provide signals. Signals is not something that you can make profit out of it. Okay, you always have to understand the setup. You have to understand how market moves. Trading signal will not work for you. There is more that you will have to do. Okay, so you have to put some time in this business. Okay, this is a huge business and you have to take it seriously if you want. If don't, then it better not touch it. I'm not saying it's easy business, but it's kind of complicated. You have to invest your time and knowledge, definitely, and it will pay you off very nicely. It's a very profitable business. It gives you a lot of money. Okay, once you understand the logic behind the charts, yeah, definitely, like Maria is saying, trading signals will blow your money up. Yeah, that's definitely true, because you don't know how market moves, where you should exit and so on. What is your risk management, what is your lot size, where is your stop loss, how you should manage it, where to put on break even, how to take profit and so on. There's much more behind just opening the trade. Okay, opening the trade is the minimum what you can do. There is more behind it, so make sure you will study the chart. Okay, it's not that easy. If you just go and follow the corrections and impulses that I'm constantly teaching you about. Okay, so you have to find the chart impulsive movement, corrective movements. Okay, once you recognize this, then you can expect, once this correction is completed, you can anticipate that this impulsive movement will complete itself. Okay, so what it did, it completes over there. But this impulsive movement is again separated into three parts: impulsive, corrective movement, and another impulse. Okay, so if you will do that concept of trading, if you will do charts, if you will do watch charts with this concept, then you will know which direction the market is going to move. Okay, it will really help you, or it will give you another sense of direction. Okay, you can miss it if you just follow impulse corrective movement. Okay, this is all what you have to do. And if you want to make more money, definitely you have to spend time by studying those corrections. Okay, you have to study these kind of corrections. This is the biggest part. Okay, because once the correction is in the making, you have to prepare yourself. You have to prepare yourself where you will enter, how you will enter, how much you are going to risk, where is your reasonable stop loss. Okay, because you cannot just put your stop loss wherever you want. Okay, then sixth one, you have to see if it's worth of trading, what is your risk to reward ratio, and so on. Okay, and then 7, you go for the trade, and you need the 8th, which will be exit strategy. Okay, so this is all what you have to define when these corrections are in the making. You have a lot of job to do over there, right? So correction is the wonderful thing to prepare yourself, and if you will do that properly, if you know where this correction is about to be completed, then you will take the benefit of this next impulsive movement, which is the direction of the previous one. Okay, it's very easy, but just try to understand the corrections pattern. It's what you have to study correction and pattern. Okay, those two things are not the same. Pattern and corrections are two different things. And today, what first I would love to teach you or to show you over there, it's the mistake that everyone is doing. Okay, everyone is doing once they get involved with wave analysis and when they hear for the breakout trading and so on. Okay, we'll show you what is the biggest problem and why usually people are in the problem or in the drawdown. Please do for Dogecoin. Yes, I will do. We will go check all your coins, whatever you want. Just stay patient a little bit. Bitcoin as well. Yes, guys, we will do it. No problem. But let me just show you first the one educational thing, which is very important. It's not only for sugar. This is just the example where I'm showing you this. Okay, you have to apply this. It doesn't matter if this is the crypto, if you are spot trader, if you're leverage trader, if you're trading only Bitcoin, if you're trading only Dogecoin, if you're trading only dollar, euro, GBP, whatever. Market moves the same way, and you should understand it before you click the trade, right? So you ain't gonna generate profit if you don't understand how market moves, where you should open trade. So take some time, give yourself a little bit time. Okay, spend some time, at least an hour, on understanding how market moves. Okay, because open the trade, it's not just one thing. Okay, but yeah, we will do that. Bitcoin, give me 5 minutes, please, 5 short minutes, which will be very educative one, and then we will go for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and the rest of them, what you want. Okay, so where I have a lot of problems and where I still see the people are doing the mistakes is over there. When we have a correction over there, correctional movement, and everyone what missed basically trade from there. Okay, so nobody didn't sell from there. Then they see correction like it is over there, 1 2 3. Okay, let me make it clear like this. And they here for the breakout trading, they sell based on breakout. So usually where they put their stop losses, somewhere there in the structure, right? In the structure. So if you sell over there and put stop loss over there, very lot, or let's say in most cases you'll be stopped out and your entry point is very bad. So you have You have a big problem over there, because entering over there, price needs to correct. Okay, price will just go for the correction and it will stop you out over there. Okay, the another thing then, what people are doing is they will next time, for next trading idea, they will put stop loss somewhere there. Okay, from having stop loss there, they will move it a bit higher and entry point will still be there. Okay, and this is the problem. Okay, you are entering on wrong spot. The problem, it's not your stop loss. Problem is where you enter the market. Because as you can see from the picture over there, you're entering on a very bad point. And as you know, if you're there with me for the last couple of webinars, you hear me saying always wait for the correction. Okay, and there wasn't any correction over there, so you shouldn't be triggering the sells over there. You didn't have any confirmation, you are not selling from the top. Okay, you are late. Don't sell just based on breakout. Trend line is just some no valuable trend line over there. It will not help you. Okay, so you can't rely just on trend line. What you have to rely on is the correction as always. Okay, every second, after every impulse, you need to see the correction. Okay, and for this example, look at that one now. Let me just give you the real example. Someone will do something like this and then correction will stop you out. The another thing, what they will, and let's say profit is over there. As you see trading from there, your risk to reward ratio is very bad, 1-to-1 for this trade. And what they will do, they will then increase their stop loss. Next problem which will happen is you reduce your profit. Now you're risking more than your profit is. Okay, and anyway, you will be still stopped out over there. And what is the solution over there? First solution, modify your entry point. Your entry point, it's not on good place. Okay, so by just modifying it, okay, pick it somewhere higher. For example, if you wait more or something like this, you will increase your risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that this from where you are selling, it's not your entry point. Or at least, second thing which you have to do, at least wait for the correction and then sell. Okay, so if you at least wait for the correction and then sell with bigger stop loss, it's better because your stop loss is making sense now. Before it didn't, but now it makes. And another thing, price can still go up. You will be anyway stopped out. So you need the correction. And sugar, it's exactly the example which I've been talking with my traders. Okay, we've been discussing about this sugar with my traders. They had some problems over there, and I explained how you should trade. Okay, so for example over there, you should not be selling it over there. Let me change the color just a second. You should not be selling it from there, 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 or there. These are no reasonable sells, at least not reasonable sell spots. Why? Because based on this, we are still in the uptrend. We are just going down. This going down, it's not impulsive, it's not confirmed. There wasn't any confirmation for sell, so this is still the active buy. You should be waiting for buy instead for the sell. Okay, but what price can do, it can still go down, 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 and anytime soon they will just explode to the upside and you will miss the trade. So what you should do over there, you should wait for correction like this over there, something like this. At least this is the minimum what you should do, or something like this, and then you go for the sell. You don't sell over there, it's not making sense, because price break the trend line. Okay, breaking the trend line, it's not your strategy. Okay, it should not be. You should not open the trade based on break of the trend line. Okay, you need another confirmation. You need the breakout plus confirmation, and breakout plus confirmation is the correction. Correction always give you the confirmation. For example, if you watch over there, we have impulse and corrective movement. It went up, it corrects, and then went up. Am I right? So if this went down, is this the confirmed move? No. If it corrects, yes, we are going down. I'm 99.9% sure that we are going down over there. If this correction will appear, if it doesn't, I'm still for the buy. And it's the exactly same example where we took the buy. Okay, so let me show you a little bit basic example, right? So this is the educational one. Okay, if we have impulsive movement to the upside, corrective movement to the upside, impulsive downside, we are not buying exactly over there. You should not trigger trades over there. You have to watch it for price action at least. You need any strong reactions over there. And if price goes down, you should not sell, because this is not the sell until we get the confirmation. If we get the confirmation, then we are the sellers. Okay, but if it keep going down without correction, this is the buy, and it's gonna go and tag the previous top. So if you get yourself stuck over there, okay, mostly traders got stuck over there. This is where people are selling. Okay, even I have a lot of troubles over there at the beginning of my career. I was selling it very late, but I thought I sell on the best perfect spot over there. Okay, this is the top spot and that's it. Okay, and after some time it proves that that wasn't the perfect spot, right? I was selling it on very bad spot. Again, the solution or the problem was I was selling based on the break of the structure. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to show you. Breaking of the trend line, it's not enough. Okay, you can't rely on the break of the trend line because you will get yourself in trouble. So if you are having troubles, like you don't have enough time to manage your trade, okay, so you have no option to manage your trade. If your trade goes directly into your stop loss, this is telling to you that you are having very bad entry point and that you are probably having this kind of example. And the third one, if you increase your stop loss, it still doesn't help you. Okay, so if you're having those three problems, you are probably trading over there where I am showing you right now. Okay, you are in this circle over there. Okay, so if you're not sure, go back, analyze your stop losses or your trades where you were entering. Were you entering on this breakout or not? Check it. Okay, give yourself a little bit time, do some to improve your mistakes. Okay, they will not be improved by themselves automatically. You have to do it. Okay, you have to sum up everything, check up your history, where you enter, how you enter, where is your stop loss. Okay, do that, and I'm 100% sure that you will find the problem. Okay, so I hope this lesson is now much more clear for you. Okay, if you go back and watch a little bit of the previous examples, you will find it easily you will find it, right? Chart, it's always doing something like this. We'll show you during the webinar examples like over there, right? So a Bitcoin, if you watch the Bitcoin, there someone was asking for the Bitcoin. Okay, so how we think, okay, we have a question. How can we think it is time for trend change? You will see this by the loss of momentum. Okay, you will have to be able to recognize the loss of momentum. And the pattern lower time frame will show you, and as well on lower time frame you will see nice impulsive structure and corrective structuring and then going down. This is what you will see on lower time frame. Right, so if you will go back and watch over there, you will see impulse and correction. Let me just draw down that for you. What happened over there? It drops, it corrects. What is this? Another leg lower. Okay, and this is enough good sign to tell you, to show you, and to prove you that the pattern is about to be completed. Only this is what you need, nothing else you don't need. Okay, always watch the lower time, even on 1 hour it's visible nicely. It went lower, it corrects back, it gives you a nice reaction. This is your trade. Okay, so confirmation, you always find the confirmation if you're not sure the chart is completed. And this is the easiest way how to recognize when the pattern or when the trend is about to be changed. Okay, so keep in mind this, it's very important. Okay, so let's discuss about Bitcoin. This is still there. Okay, and here's the example. Those who were there with me for last 2 months or 3 months or even more, they should understand what Bitcoin did, and they should take the sell. Okay, this is their sell, right? We were still anticipating this leg to downside, breaking the low, and it can still go a little bit lower. That's not over yet. Okay, so if you have time, if you want to learn something new, go back and watch the previous recording. Okay, you will learn a lot of these things. I'm always showing you same setups. I'm not changing it from day to day. Okay, just a second. Okay, so sorry for that. If you want to improve yourself, go on my YouTube channel, TradingView, wherever, and check all the recordings that I did and what I have been sharing there with you. If there's something not clear to you, leave a comment under the video and I will answer your question in the next webinar. So Bitcoin, what it did, we've been discussing, this is the example where we've been discussing why this is not an uptrend. Okay, many of you were asking me why this is not an uptrend. Here you have the answer. When it comes down, when it confirms, gives you the pattern. Okay, so as it did there, come down, corrects. We have to break the pattern over there. Okay, we have to break it. We did it before, didn't, but yesterday we did. Okay, so first was like this. We watched this as a triangle for more downside. Okay, we knew that this sell is coming. You should take some benefits by selling the Bitcoin. Okay, why? Reason is this: we have to break the low. Did we break it? Yes. Should I buy now? No. You can't buy the Bitcoin as it stands right now. That's not your buy setup. This is not the setup for buying. Okay, it's still going lower, and it still can go, and it still can go, and it still can go. How far? It can come down all the way back to the trend line, to 4K. All this is possible, but next question: when I will know that the pattern is about to be completed, and when I should start buying it, when I should prepare myself. Okay, this is the best question, or the most asked question that I'm always getting. When do I know that the chart or the pair I'm watching is ready for buy or sell? Okay, here's the answer. I will show you exactly with the example what you always have to do. If we wait for this break, let it break, should I buy there? No. Okay, that's not making sense. You will be just a random gambler in this business, and you will probably end up with drawdown. You will end up with giving up on trading. Okay, trading like this is not the trading. This is trading based on guessing work. Okay, and in this business you can guess. You have to be sure. You need the confirmation. And anyway, if in case you will be lucky and if you get the trade over there, then very good. But in 100 trades you won't be able to catch it, because this will just go, you'll be keep adding losses, and then it will go up. When you will end up with all those losses, even blowing your account, then the chart will go up. What will be the problem? You didn't wait for confirmation. You were trying to guess the market. You were trying to see or to predict where the market will turn. And this is what you should not do. You should not guess where the market will turn. And what is the solution for this? Here's the quick solution over there. Let it go up, giving you impulse on lower degree, then let it correct. This is your what? This is your confirmation. And once you have impulse and this corrective information, then you start buying, right? This is when your money should come with this impulse or the next impulse. This is where you have to trade, not from there, not from there, not from there, there. Okay, this is where you should trade. And just by waiting for this confirmation, just waiting for this impulse will help you improve your understanding, will save you some money. Definitely, I'm 100% sure this will save you some money. I had those kind of the problems. Okay, so I thought I should be the first guy on the planet who will trigger the buy, for example, in this Bitcoin. Okay, but I should not be. Okay, I should wait for the market, because market is communicating with me. Market will tell me, I am ready, you can buy me. Okay, I'm ready, you can sell me. Never predict, never push the market. You are not the guy who will lead the market. You are not capable of doing this. So rather follow it, try to understand it, read it properly. Okay, because if you learn how to read it, it's like a book. If you don't know how to read, you can't read a book, right? You can just watch the pictures in the book, and that's useless. Okay, you're just scrolling to the pages, and that's gonna be the just waste of time. Same with the trading. Okay, if you don't understand it, if you don't learn, read it correctly, you will be just wasting money, wasting time, and wasting years probably. And you will be still in the loop. You will be constantly making the deposit, blowing the account, make deposit, blow account, make deposit, blow account, make deposit, blow account. You will be constantly in this loop. Okay, you will be spinning in this loop, and you won't be able to exit it because you are not patient. You don't have a proper knowledge. You have not proper skills. Okay, so this will really give you some new point of view, a breakthrough or something like that. It really helps me in my understanding. Okay, I did this one, and I couldn't figure out why I'm always stopped out, because I was non-patient, I was pushing the market, I wanted to be the first guy on the planet to trigger the trade and so on. Those are the three things which I was struggling with, so I can bet on that some of you are doing the same problems. But anyway, if you grab this trade, I will still have kind of similar trade anywhere from there, wherever you will take it. I will still have the same trade. You will not have more benefits, but you will be risking more. Trying to catch this, you will not make more money than I will. We will be in, let's say, a couple of dollars in the profit, okay? That's all. But you who will be entering over there, your risk is 90% higher. Okay, you have a 90% higher risk than I have over there after having the confirmation. My risk over there is just 10%, 10 to 20%, let's say like that. This is my risk for the setup, let's say. I call it risk for the setup. Your risk for the setup is 90%. My risk for the setup is 10 to 20 only. So who will lose money? You. Who will make more money? If you're lucky, you will make the same money, right? But I'm losing more. I'm not risking that much. In hundreds of trades, you will lose 90%. I will lose 10. Who's gonna make money on longer term? Me, of course, right? I will win on the longer term on more trades. Okay, so try to understand. This is very important stuff. Okay, so what we're doing right now, should I buy? If your answer is yes, then you have to rewatch the recording because you didn't got my point. Okay, if your answer is yes, that you have to buy, then rewatch the recording. Feel free to watch it in your time, feel free to rewatch it in a couple of times, and feel free to share it with your friend. Okay, and if you still couldn't understand, or if you find something interesting in there, if you see the potential, if you see, I don't know, whatever, the future, you can as well join us. Okay, I will teach you through every step. You will be with us forever. You will be on all the trainings. You will have all the educational lessons to fully understand those behaviors on the child, because it's really important, and you don't need to read any fundamentals. It's not a must. Okay, we just ignore all the fundamentals because they are useless. Okay, so let's go now. Thank you very much for all the support, guys. I do this from my heart, because I see this is the knowledge which you need to understand. This is what you have. I would be really happy, and I will appreciate if every one of you will understand me what I already shared with you. I really do hope that everyone understands me, because it's so important thing. Okay, this was the biggest breakthrough for me. Okay, that's the biggest understanding which I was needed, and I do believe many of you still need it. Okay, so make sure you understand it. Watch it a couple of times. If there are still struggles, leave a comment under the video or join our team. Okay, whatever you will do. So let's go. What the Bitcoin will do, you will all know the answer. Okay, this can still go. Am I in buy? No. Am I in buy? No. If it goes up, if it corrects, am I in buy? Of course. This is where I came in. This is where I will start watching and building positions. But until I don't have this one, I'm not in the trade. Will it happen from there? No. It can happen from there. Okay, it could happen from there. It could happen from there. But nobody knows until it happens. So that's the point. Don't predict from where it will happen. Wait for it. You have a lot of time. Okay, we all choose the trading and investing because we all want the free time. We want time with our families, with our loved ones. Okay, that's the point. Wait. Enjoy your time with your family, with friends. Go for a walk, do something for your health, okay? And then come back and the child will be ready for you, and then you will make money. That's it. Okay, so this is clear now. Okay, and another question was for Dogecoin, please. Let me see the Dogecoin. This still can go lower. You still don't have any confirmation over there, and this could be the running flat. Another, just break the low and then go up. Don't be too fast, man. And it's not confirmed yet, right? Or another thing which could happen, it's come down, slow down, go up, go down, break the low and then go up. Or just give you the flat over there and then go up. So it's not tradable. Don't chase it right now, okay? I would be happy if this go break the low and then start to build some positions, okay? And then you will be the buyer, then you start buying. Okay, so if you do remember when we were trading, I think we were somewhere where we were, not there. I think we were there. This was the idea that I have posted there with you. Okay, so when this starts to build a position, okay, it starts giving you this kind of the flags, flag, okay, and it goes. This is what you have to wait before buying it. Okay, don't buy it too early, and then you won't miss it. Okay, so this is the flag and it goes up, flag, it goes up. So is it ready? No, that's not a flag for buy. It's not a flag, it's just a single drop. It can just go lower, wait for correction and then go up. Okay, don't chase the price, wait for single. But I don't see all the altcoins, the crypto will be ready. Okay, so until Bitcoin is struggling over there, I don't see altcoins ready. Let them do whatever they want to do, but once you see something like this, then all the rest of the altcoins will be ready and you will have a wonderful opportunity to start investing What do you think about the Tesla? I have no idea, but let me check that for you. Tesla, it still can go a little bit lower. Okay, I think this could be some structure for more upside. Okay, so this can still go lower and then go up. Can it totally drop down? I don't think so. Let me give the weekly view. Okay, I still think that this is the impulse. This is the corrective movement for at least another leg higher, and then it can drop and then it can go up totally. Okay, so 2025 2025 will be the year for the biggest buy on all the stocks, all the bonds. Okay, but now we are into the depression, into the uncertainty over there in the economy, so this will be struggling. Okay, you will be able to buy, but those buys will not be long term. Okay, this will be the medium term buy. This is all what you can get, but be prepared. Once we break the top, we still can come lower. Okay, or this can struggle over there. This can struggle something like this all the way down, that long drawdown correction, and then up. That this is all possible. So make sure that you're totally aware from where you are buying. Okay, if you do buy, make sure your spot is reasonable. Okay, it's reasonable, and watch it. Okay, it can go up and down, up and down. You can still trade there from up and down, up and down. Okay, but be aware. Be aware where you are trading. Definitely you should take every buy. What I'm saying, every buy should be taken. If it's not moving, take profit. Let it go down, you take a buy, you take profit again. If it is not breaking, taking buy, and then one of them will go. Which one, we don't know, but we have to take the opportunity before this happens. Okay, so you have to be in the market on time. Next one, what about XRP? We'll watch. What time frame is best to predict the move? The best is 4 hour daily and weekly, of course. Okay, daily and weekly is where you will see the big movements, and they will last, and there's a lot of money. Okay, because in my strategy, in the concept that I'm trying to teach you, it's I want to teach every one of you that you have to be trading this, you have to trade this movement, you have to trade these moves. Okay, don't get yourself stuck over there. You can prepare yourself for the sell over there. You can take a sell, and there as well you take the sell, not the buy. And these are the moves which you should focus on. Fast movement, big movement. Where's the volatility? This is where you put your money. You go with the big volatility. Okay, it doesn't matter if this is the crypto, whatever. If it is the forex, you go with the volatility. You don't go against it. Okay, and big move is what we're interested. Big money, money which will grow our account. This is what you have to focus on, right? So XRP, what do I see? Same there. Okay, so I don't see anything different. I will probably see the break of the low, breaking the low, and then it will go up, same as the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin will be the leading one. Okay, until the Bitcoin is not ready, nothing will move over there. Ethereum, please. Yes.
I thought so.
Oops, sorry. I don't know why my Siri on my iPhone has turned on. Okay, so never mind. That was weird. Ethereum is, yeah, it's gonna go down as well. Same thing. Here it is. Okay, so Ethereum, it's not different than the others. They all has to go lower. Okay, this is the channel, and we are going lower. We have to break the low. There's no any other questions. So don't push the trade. Okay, that's not the low, and you can buy from there. That's it. That's all what you have to understand. Okay, understand your buying spot, understand your selling spot, define your stop losses, because stop loss, it needs to be reasonable. It really matters where you put it. Okay, it matters where you put the stop loss. So let it go, right? What else? I will show you the DXY as well. Yep, that's the dollar index. Let me show you the dollar index. Just a second. Here it is. Okay, so let me just delete this one a little bit to not confuse you. Okay, so what the dollar index is doing, I see the dollar index will go higher. Okay, so I'm expecting this move. This is what I do anticipate over there. So let it just start pushing higher. Okay, buy it. What I see over there daily. Okay, daily. This is still the uptrending movement, and this is the correction. 5-wave structure for more upside. Okay, at least breaking the top. That's what I do anticipate, and based on this, we will be buying the dollar. We will be buying German 13. This is, yes, I will show you immediately. Let me just show you quickly the dollar pairs. Okay, here's the euro dollar. Euro dollar is still the sell. Okay, I'm the buyer, but I will closely take my profit over there. I've been selling this, I've been buying this, now I will sell again this, because this is the big huge movement coming to retest the previous low at least, and we are on the very interested spot where we should watch it closely. Okay, that's gonna be our trade. More downside, right? New Zealand USD the same. This has to come down. More downside, right? All of them. Aussie USD more downside. Okay, wonderful trade is what I'm showing you over there. I really do anticipate that the DXY will gain its strength, and if gain its strength, then you should be selling all of them. Okay, Euro USD very good to sell, New Zealand USD very good to sell, Aussie USD very good structure for sell. So make sure you keep in mind those structures, watch them, and sell on sharp breakdown. Any sharp break to downside, sell it. Same there, New Zealand USD sharp breakdown, sell. Aussie USD sharp breakdown, sell. USD CAD, you can prepare yourself for buy. Okay, buy will come over there. Buy will be very interested on USD CAD as well, but I'm much more interested for the Euro USD. I'm always watching for sell. What market indicators you use for price action? I don't use any indicator. I just watch price action on lower time frame. I follow impulse and correction. This is always what I do. I wait for the impulse, I wait for the confirmation, because if I don't get this confirmation, then I don't know that this is the valid impulse. But if it corrects, then I can rely on the impulse and correction. It's enough good information to give me the validation of this impulse. I can rely then on it, and I can take the upcoming movement over there. This is all. Okay, but here I think this is the 1 2 3 for more upside. We still will probably have this leg higher. Okay, so I'm not sure that this is the way to the upside. This still has to come lower. Okay, but we'll watch it. We will definitely watch it during the day today. We will keep our eyes on it. German 13 indices, yes, this is what I have shared there with you over there as well. So SP 500, this is the good indices. I'm still watching SP 500 to go lower. Okay, these to go lower. This is the example where we have the break. Look at that one. If you took the sell over there, you didn't get anything. You see, we still got the confirmation and selling there. You are just risking. You're just risking. But if you wait for this correction, which is currently applying over there, and now expecting there the sell, okay, wait and see. Once you have a strong sell, take the sell and let it go back at the turn, and this is your profit, similar as this one. Okay, this is your trade, and then let it go. That's what you have to do. So keep your eyes, watch it for the sharp break to downside over there on the SP 500, US 30 as well. Look at that one. We are at the top. I have shared this idea with you. Okay, let it drop over there. This will be your target. This is your target, right? So keep your eyes on sharp setup. Daily looks like for another leg lower. That's gonna be the last leg lower, and then we are going up. Then you will get the chances for some buying around this bottom over there. Okay, around this bottom we'll start watching to buy some. German 30 as well. This is a nice structure over there, building nice sell stop. Look at that one. This is the structure from more downside. Always when they correct, they go lower. They go, they correct, they go lower. They correct, they go lower. They correct, they go lower. They correct, they will do what? They will go lower. Okay, so these are our impulses. This is what you have to trade. This is your direction of trading. Okay, you can't miss it. So make sure you are focused enough and you know into which direction you are trading. Just completely, you just have to completely recognize impulsive and corrective structures, and that's all what you have to do. And then you will easily predict the next upcoming movement. Okay, so this is it. I will slowly end the webinar over there. I think you get a lot of information on those webinars. If you have any questions, use the chat. I will answer a couple of questions and then I will end the webinar over there. So if you guys want to join us, if you want to join our wonderful team where we will support you with all the educational stuff, you'll get all the pre-recorded videos. Of course, you will get the access to the live webinars. On Saturday, this Saturday, we are having the live training with the members where we will go through the chart. We will be back testing and training on the charts together. Okay, we'll do this over the Zoom meeting, and everyone will be capable to use their share screen. So people will be sharing screen with me, and I will see what they are doing wrong, what they should improve, and so on. Okay, very important and powerful stuff. And of course, being into our academy, you will always have the updates about the chart, about the setups. I'm constantly updating what I trade, what is about to be ready, where you should watch, and so on. So a lot of benefits if you decide to join us, if you decide to take this business seriously. Okay, if you take this business seriously, you will have to join us. So should I buy XRP now or wait? No, you have to wait more. You still didn't got my point, what I'm always and keep sharing with you. So please rewatch the recording and watch as well some past recordings that are there on my trading view. Under the profile you will find the recordings, and as well on YouTube. Please make sure you watch them, because you still do not understanding my point. But you will get it, no worries. Okay, so you should not feel worried. You will get that, no worries. Please share your YouTube. My YouTube channel is in the description. If you go to my profile, especially those who are on TradingView, if you go on my profile, just click on my profile and you will see the YouTube channel. It's attached over there. It's in my bio. It's very easy to find my channel. And of course, it's as well in the description of the video, in every video. So it's not that hard to find it. It's over there, right? So if you go to my YouTube, there's my Twitter, there's my YouTube channel, and this is the website. Okay, those are all my social sites, and they are very easy to find. And if you have any questions, you can send me the private message as well. Okay, so this is it. I will end the webinar over there. So hope you guys get those understanding which I'm trying to share with you. If this wasn't clear to you, make sure you rewatch it. share with your friend, comment it with your friend, and implement into your trading style. I do believe that you will see improvements. Once you will understand what I'm showing you over there, then you will see improvement into your trading. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and see you on next meeting. Take care, enjoy your day. Bye bye.